Hello friends, welcome back again to Chima Dedicated Video channel. In this video, as part of our release on different coins, especially the ones on Telegram this time, please I want to share this update with you on Tether Gold. Yes, how you can start mining. This is just new, please don't joke with this. Tether Gold, you can see from the right up here, Tether Gold is a stable coin backed by gold. Each Tether Gold token is backed by 1 troy ounce of gold held in a vault in Switzerland. And this same Tether Gold is owned by the same Tether company that issued Tether USDT. So it's already part of a very strong blockchain project. And now all you need to be part of this is very simple. You have a Telegram app, because it's a Telegram app is where you're going to mine this. Now, once you see the link I'm going to drop, that's the bot link. Click on it. If you click on that bot link, you're going to find yourself exactly in this place. Now, once you are here, click on Start. Just watch. You can take your time to read more about this project. It's a very strong project. Now, the next thing you do is to click on Tap to Earn. Just the way some of us, tap swap. I shared that particular video earlier today. Tap swap that is owned by Solana. The same way you mine it, the Notcoin that we've just finished mining, that will soon be released. And exactly that's how this one's work. So click on Tap to Earn, and the system will ask you to launch this web app. You will connect to this website. Click on Start. And so you're going to see this. It's coming up. Exactly. Now you see it is on 100%. It's on 100%. So you start tapping. All you need to do to start earning is to click, be tapping inside this center now. As it's opening up, you start earning. Whatever you're earning will be shown on this place. Then you can also increase your earning by performing certain tasks. You can see tasks here. You can also boost it with some of your coins you've mined. You boost it. Now let me stop tapping right now. I see the more I'm tapping, the more that energy percentage is reducing. But the way it does, like every other stuff that works this way, once I'm done, if I'm done with that energy that is there, in a few minutes it will still come up again, so I can keep on tapping and tapping to earn more. Please, I beg of you, don't joke with this. We're already in a digital revolution. All these things you see today that looks like they are joking, there's no joke here. Please, don't look at this and just look away. Make sure you take advantage at this time. So just watch. Let me show you what we're going to do. Once I tap this to 0, I'm going to show you something else. It's almost close there. You can see what we're having. Yes, we're not got up to $1 full yet. But remember, this is just free. You are not making any payments to be part of this. Almost close to 0 energy. It's okay. I'm not going to show you another thing. Okay, you can see 0.0% energy now. In the next few minutes, it's going to still come up. Now, let me click on tax. With this tax, you can actually increase your earnings. Now, one of the tax here under special taxes, just because we have different types of tax, you have the special tax, you have the league tax, you have the referral tax. So under the special tax, let me click on join our socials. 2 of them. Follow Tether I'm on Twitter. Just watch. I follow them on Twitter. I go back to this place. Now I join the Telegram. That's the next task. I join it. I go back. Then I join another Telegram here. I join. I go back. Okay, I didn't click on start mission, please. That is the way it is done. The mission is completed because I've done all of this. So because the mission is completed, now definitely I'm supposed to have end. Let me quickly go back. Let me quickly go back to this. Okay, this one, join our socials. Okay, sorry. Now let me go back. So once we complete this task, definitely the system, okay, look at it. The ones I completed, I'm now going to click on go. I follow. I go back. Check. The system will check it and then approve it. I click on this also. It's written check. Check. I click on this also. Check. So once you're done your task, there are so many things you can do in the task. You can join also a league and increase your earnings and so many others. Now, you can still see that this particular energy is increasing again, so I can claim more and more. Or anytime you have chance, you can come up again and claim. Once you are done that, if you want to get your referral link to invite your friends, it's free. You click on ref. You understand? You get your referral link. You can as well do that by going back to where I started and click on invite friends. And once you click on that, you could see you're going to find your referral link to copy. You invite your friends and get bonuses for each friend invited. You're going to find your referral link to invite your friends. That's how it works. So look at it. The referral link right away. So I can copy this now and get you invited. And so it's free. Please make sure you mind this. Don't neglect any of this at a time like this. I'm going to stop at this point. If you're new to the channel, do it to subscribe. If you still have questions, please contact me. Use the comment area. I can as well allow you to get in contact with me on WhatsApp, on Telegram, so we can chat more. If you have a question, especially when it comes to crypto, please feel free to ask. If this video makes sense to you, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.